Hi everybody, welcome back to another weekly craft video. My name is Tori and I'm here in the Whitewater Public Library's Makerspace. I'm going to be showing you some different tips and techniques for our craft kits this week. We are going to be doing dot painting or dot art on these stones here. So as you can see, I've created a couple of different designs that you can look at and think about before you start painting your stone. In your craft kit, you're going to get one of these stones. As you can see, there's a variety of different shapes and sizes. You can use dots to create any sort of pattern or design that you want. In your craft kit this week, you're going to get one stone, one paintbrush, 6 different colors of paint. It's going to be acrylic paint, so it is not washable paint, just be aware of that. And you're going to get a couple toothpicks. You can use the toothpicks to create your dots. You can use this side or the pointy side to get even tinier, smaller dots. And you can even use this flat part of your paintbrush to create dots as well. Please don't wait to do this craft activity. The paint is going to be portioned out in these little cups here, but the paint is going to start to dry out, so don't wait to do it. At home, gather together a few different tools that you can use to paint your rocks. Anything that has a round, flat edge, just like that, can be used to create the dots on your stone. Also, grab an old rag that you don't mind getting dirty. Dampen it and use it to clean off the ends of your tools so that you can use it again with a different color. Next, grab your stone. I recommend rinsing these off first because they feel a little bit dusty. Rinse it and allow it to dry fully. I laid down a bit of paper here to protect my surface, and I'm just gonna give this rock a coat of black paint. You can just coat the side that you plan to paint, or you can coat both sides if you want. Now I'm going to let this side dry and then flip it over and paint the other side as well. Once you're ready to paint, take your tool, dip it in, and create a dot on your stone. Try to keep everything as symmetrical as possible. It helps to place dots in between the dots of the previous row. It also helps to put dots directly across from one another instead of working your way around the circle like that. All right, it's time to get started. Have fun. Do your best from keeping the dots from touching. If you do, it's okay. But when you keep that a little bit of space in between each of them, it helps it to look nice, crisp, and clean. Don't push down too hard with your utensil, otherwise you get that blank space there in the center. So just push really lightly so that it fills in the whole circle.